Hello everyone. Today I have come up with one more topic, that is use of footwear for below 10 years of kid. When you look at the child below 5 years, you might have observed their feet are mostly flat and the arch starts developing when they turn out 5 or 6 years, and during that time the arch formation increases, and if the arch is not been formed properly, then you may observe that the legs are not straight. They may be bending inwards. The knees may be also bending inwards, and which over the period of time creates a problem for the child. So they may have, when they turn up 30 or 40 years of age, you may observe that, they are having the knee issues and the waist issues. So how to avoid it? When the child is growing, so what you should do is you should allow the child to walk barefoot. When they are walking barefoot, what happens is the touch between the ground and the feet increases, and that gives a signal to the brain, and this sensory feedback to the brain helps the muscles to strengthen, and this strengthening of muscles and tendons helps the child to have a proper feet formation or the proper arch formation in the feet. So you might have observed that there is an arch formation which starts after 6 years, and it keeps on forming, but till 10 years you can find that maximum 80% of the arch has been formed, and if the arch is not been formed properly, it creates a problem. You might observe that if the arch is not there, then your legs may be turning bent towards inside, so that creates a problem. So what I request is, where there is a longer hours where the child has to spend, like a school, at home, or when you are taking for a play, let the child be barefoot. In today's time, most of the young generation is looking for a school where the child is going with a footwear, but the child is spending their 3 hours or 4 hours of time, and the child is engaged in different activities like play and gross motor skills, where there is exercise to their legs. So during that time, let the child be with a barefoot. That helps the proper arch formation. So I just wanted to suggest here, there should be a balance between hygiene, cleanliness, fashion and natural physical development of a child. If you want to understand, and you might have observed that when the child is going to school for the first time, in that year the child attendance may be just 40 to 60%, just because the child has been exposed to the other kids. The same way, if the child is been exposed to the nature, if their skin is been exposed to the nature, then you may observe that over the period of time they may not have the allergies. And even if the footwear is not proper, then what happens is there is a moisture accumulation in the feet, and that creates another kind of issues like fungal issues and all those things. If the footwear is not proper, you may observe that there is a blister formation. So in order to avoid all these issues, it's better let the child be barefoot where the child is spending the maximum of time, like school or home and playground. I hope this video may help you and you will take care of your child development. Thank you. Thank you very much. If you are looking for more informative videos like this, then I would like to request you to join my channel Nurture Journey with Shilpa. Thank you very much.